Hello, my name is Delaney Vaughn and I'm a professional BMX racer from Tucson, Arizona. I got started into BMX because my parents operated the track in town and they started operating that before I was even born, so I like to say I was born into the sport. BMX is my life. Growing up, it was something that I did with my family. Anytime we traveled to a race, the entire family went. It was a family thing. So you start on a gate, typically with 8 riders in it. You go as the gate drops, and then you have to go over jumps as fast as possible, maneuver through corners, and try to be first. As an amateur, it was kind of just walk up the hill, get in the gate. Yeah, it's fun, it's cool. And then as I started to get older and take it more serious, it was more so being more precise with what I was thinking about and making sure my mind was in the right place. Once the gate drops, then I get tunnel vision and I'm just focusing on what's going on in that lap.